All right, happy Easter. Happy Easter from Ecuador RAW and REAL.
Stay.
Hope everybody's Easter long weekend was enjoyable, safe, and relaxing. Beautiful day today in Cuenca, Ecuador, up in the brochure area. Very beautiful. I'm gonna take the perros out for a little walk. One of the great things about the area up here is, well, all the dogs, which we love. And, are we ready or what?
Yeah, let's take a look here. I don't want to go down to there.
Okay. We're gonna go a different route today. The dogs have gotten a lot better. There's 3 of these dogs. There's one that's not with us any longer, Scrat. He was one of our rescues when we moved out of one of our places. There was 4 dogs. Wow, look at that, that mountain over there. That looks so beautiful. So clear. So clear. Been having a lot of rain, so yeah, so yeah, did the daily living of Canadian expats in South America, Cuenca, Ecuador. Been here for 3 years now. I have got shut down about 7 years ago with he's huge, with a terrible viral infection in my heart. Came out of nowhere, just about killed me. So this is just really you guys just stop yanking on me. They're just really yanking, so let's go. Hi guys. Is that a Rottweiler? That's a Rottweiler. Really beautiful. Yeah, we do. Like, what are they doing?
Running into the barbed wire.
Okay, well,
Gigi's way too big. She has spiked herself.
we're trying something new.
See, no cars coming.
We're letting all 5 dogs off
like
the
a
leash.
panic attack waiting.
Off the leash.
Jeffy.
To see how they do. And of course, it's just a bike he can squeeze by.
Jeff, that looks like a mean dog. Jeff.
Mavis. No way.
Jeffy, come here. That dog looks really mean. Chef.
Not really.
Chef.
Yeah? No, he should be. Sheffy should be okay. Look at how wrong.
John, let him go and just.
He's fine.
But okay, Dad, if he starts attacking,
He won't. We'll stop him if he does.
you don't know. Last time we tried stopping him, it almost got my hand ripped off. Oh, good boy, Chef.
Good boys.
Good boy, Chef.
Good boy,
All the
Tim.
dogs are gonna rip you in half.
Good boy, Timmy.
He's that black and white dog behind that fence.
Oh yeah? So many dogs. Oh.
It would be peaceful down here if there wasn't so many dogs. He's big.
Look at that old dilapidated house.
Think about it.
A lot of dogs straight through here. Look at that. He poked his head right through there.
Yeah.
You can get out easily if you wanted to. Hey, buddy.
He's pretty old.
Oh, look at him. That didn't work too well. Hey, what's this? A church or something?
Yeah. Look at Jeffy making friends.
Good boy, Chef. Oh, good boy.
Bad dog. Wow, there's so many dogs.
Yeah,
This would be like such a peaceful street if there wasn't dogs.
This is a cool looking house.
All the dogs, like none of these fences work. Every dog is freaking out. Jeff, be nice.
It's really just.
Tim taking a friend his side.
Oh, Tim. Look at all the look at all the dogs. So many dogs.
Let me make sure you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you do have all of them.
Oh, look at, is that a road or, holy.
I can't believe Tim has made a friend his
No,
size.
look at, that's a road.
That's a pretty modern house for being out here.
That's a nice house,
Right
eh?
there, too.
That looks fairly new.
Look at that old decrepit dog.
Where?
That black dog. Look at that dog.
He's almost through. He's trying, look at, he's gonna squeeze through there.
He won't be able to get back.
Oh my God, what's he doing? He can't quite get through there. Oh, this guy, he's cute too. Oh,
He's really cute.
really?
Looks like a small Charlie kind of.
Yeah.
Look at that little dog in there.
Oh, he's cute.
Chef.
Chef! Chefy! Chef!
Chef.
Chef!
Chefy. Chef. Gigi.
Gigi!
Amazing.
Oh, I hope you're enjoying the walk.
It's a pretty stressful walk.
It can be, but
Especially
you know
when
what?
runs at that dog. Mavis.
But look at, our dogs are friendly. Most of all of these dogs are, look at that dog wagging his tail. He looks very friendly. Look at him.
You know what? Jeffy has not gotten into one fight in a while. Look at Timmy.
So we go down here.
Tim's just so happy to be off the leash.
Hey,
and running
hey. Oh, look at someone important's coming here. Yeah, like we're right in the middle of like military procession. Gun, the guy's done. Holy.
I wonder who they're at.
I wonder who that was. Wow. Holy, eh? Don't see that often.
I've actually been seeing more and more.
There's has the election happened or is it happening?
Whoever that was
Score!
Maisie. Chef.
Well, wonder what they're doing driving down this road.
Right? Maybe he's just showing his supremacy over everybody. Do we have everybody?
I'm not sure.
2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, yeah. Look at this dog. This dog's been following us for a while. He's a part of the pack now.
Hello. That's Puffy. Oh, go kick your ball in for them. A little faster. Rapido, man. Rapido. Oh, look at all the medals. Holy smokes. Look at the girls, those are all medals hanging on their wall.
She's someone pretty good.
Wow, man, that's awesome.
What if it's like Messi's secret hideout? Look at Mavis. Look at me.
Buenas tardes. Oh yeah, amigable. Amigable.
Smells like cow turd.
Amigable, friendly.
Wow.
Oh, cool. What's this?
Look at the mountain. I think the dogs are liking this walk.
Oh yeah. There's been a
I
good
think we're
one.
missing. No, we're not. I always think we're missing something.
Yeah, Jenny.
Yeah. I wonder if Fergus would be like the top dog here if he was here. Probably. He's like the biggest dog I've ever. Hey! Hey! Get out of there! Maisie! Gigi! Steve!
Yeah, not a bad place to retire.
Come here. Chefy just disappeared into bushes.
Chef,
Chef,
get out of the cornfield, Chevy.
Chef.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the walk here on Ecuador RAW REAL. Gonna get the crew back to the house, the Royal Guard, and have some dinner and try to do some editing and relax. And hope you enjoy the videos. And if you have any suggestions or things you'd like to see here in Ecuador versus where you live, or if you're thinking of coming here, learned quite a bit in 3 years, and yeah, well, thank God, you know, life goes on, and there's one of the main reasons why right there. Thank you.